to all. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying intermediate second year in TGSWRS JC Girls in Balam College. Today I want to share some views on sustainability of air, water and soil pollution. Air, water and soil are the main important sources for the human survival, and these three are provided from the nature. These three are the main important sources. Now we are going to discuss about the causes, effects and prevention methods for the pollution of air, water and soil. First, now we are going to discuss about air pollution. The air pollution was caused by the mixing of unwanted gases. The unwanted gases releases from the vehicles, aeroplanes, power plants, industries and etc. These makes the air polluted and causes the diseases. And also the air also polluted due to the smokers. The smoke can release the smoke in the air. It will contaminate our air. It was very dangerous to the society. Through the pollution of air causes the duplication of ozone layer. The duplication of ozone layer leads to the direct sun rays in the land surfaces and causes the diseases like skin infections and skin cancers. And now the acid rains are also caused by the air pollution. The air pollution also causes the diseases like headache, coughing, painful breath and asthma, etc. Prevention methods of air pollution. Don't burn plastic in the land area, and also don't burn the expired tablets. Don't use more plastic. Use only polythene bags or cotton bags. Okay, it will protect us more. Now we are going to discuss about the water. The water was very essential to us. It was a very important source in our daily life. We are using it for drinking, washing, etc. The water was polluted by the entering of toxic substances in the water bodies like seas, oceans, rivers, etc. This water was polluted with the mixing of garbage, dumping of plastic wastage and dumping of industrial wastage. This makes the water as contaminated and dirty. So please don't use the heavy plastic and don't release the industrial wastage in the water. And now prevention methods of water pollution. The water pollution was affects more because it affects diseases like vomiting, headache, kidney damage, heart disorder, etc. Now prevention methods of water pollution. To prevent the water pollution, we have to don't throw the wastage in water, don't make them as contaminated and dirty. Now we are going to discuss about the soil pollution. The soil was contaminated with the digging and dumping of garbage in the soil and also industrial wastage and plastic wastage in the soil. This makes the soil as a dirty and contaminated. The soil was very important to us. It was just like a mother to us. It was providing a food and crop for us. Without soil, we can't get any food. So that the soil was contaminated. If the soil was contaminated, we can't get a healthy food. Effects of soil pollution. In the contaminated soil, we can't get the healthy food. We can eat only chemical food. It will cause us more like we got diseases like stomach aches, and it also affects us well. And prevention methods of soil pollution. To prevent the soil pollution, don't use septic tanks, don't dug any wastage in the soil or land surface. It will affect us more and more. And this is the session we discussed. In this session we learn about the effects, causes and prevention methods of soil, air and water pollutions. If it will be continued by year, it was very dangerous to our future generation. We have to give a better future to our children and next generations. That was our responsibility. If we continue this for long period, that was not happen. The society was all polluted. So don't use the plastic more and don't release the industrial wastage in the land or water. It was affects us more. The air pollution also causes the acid rains, and also the soil degradation will lead to the small disasters like landslide and etc. This was the topic we discussed. So please don't contaminate our environment. The environment was our mother. Please protect the environment. That was our responsibility. Thank you.